Welcome, fam. Woke up feeling weak in your lower back or hips are stuck in yesterday's tension? That's not just stiffness, it's your core foundation asking to be activated again. Let's hit the mat. We start strong. Sit up in a forearm or straight arm plank. Shoulders stacked over wrists. Now slowly lift your right leg up, then lower and switch sides. You may be wondering, why does this matter today? Because everything from your lower back to your energy levels depends on glute strength and core stability. I promise, this one move builds integrity from spine to toe, and will make every seated hour feel less damaging. Beginners, drop your knees and lift one leg at a time. Advanced stretches, add a pulse or hover longer at the top. You've got 10 seconds left. Keep that core tight. Don't let your hips sag. And now we isolate. Come to hands and knees. Right knee lifts sideways like a dog at a fire hydrant. Keep it slow, focused. This isn't just funny, it's foundational. You're activating your glute medius, the muscle responsible for hip stability and pelvic alignment. I promise, this is a missing link in most people's pain relief plan. Feel nothing yet? Try bracing your core harder. Keep the foot flexed. Lead with the knee. Five more seconds. Hold the last rep up. Now switch. Same thing, other side. Do you feel a difference? Maybe this side is tighter or stronger? That's the story your hips have been trying to tell you. I promise balancing this out is how you walk taller and prevent future injury. Let's finish strong, then we're heading upright. Final rep, squeeze, hold for 3, 2, 1. Now come to tall kneeling. It's time for power and posture. Start in a tall kneel, hips over knees, spine stacked. Now slowly sit your hips back onto your heels, then press back up, squeezing your glutes at the top. Why this matters today? Because we don't just want loose hips, we want strong, stable ones. This move teaches your glutes to fire in harmony with your spine. I promise, it's more than a stretch, it's an activation for your entire kinetic chain. Beginners, use your hands for support. Advanced stretches, squeeze and hold at the top for 2 seconds. Feel that burn starting? That's your morning ignition switch. Keep going. This is where the momentum builds. Sit down, legs in front of you, knees bent like windshield wipers. Now gently drop your right knee inward towards your left foot, then rotate them outward again. Alternating sides. This move restores hip rotation that you lose from all that sitting. Most people stretch their hips open, but forget to train them inward. That imbalance, it's a hidden cause for knee pain and instability. I promise this resets the joint, strengthens support muscles, and gives your hips a full range to move through your day. Halfway through, try adding a little lean forward. That just deepened the stretch, didn't it? Now, let's reward all this work. Lie on your back, across your right ankle over your left thigh. Pull the left leg in gently. This is your mini payoff. That deep glute release you didn't know you were craving. Feel stuck? Use a towel behind the knee. One more. Press your right elbow into your right knee, gently. I promise this helps with lower back tightness, hip tension, even emotional release. Now hold that breath 5 more seconds, then switch. Same setup. Left ankle crosses over the right thigh. Feel the stretch wrap around your hip. That's not just a muscle, it's stored tension leaving your body. Ask yourself, where do I hold stress in my body? You might be stretching more than just tight hips right now. Last 5 seconds, breathe into it.